Namaste everyone. Today I am going to explain about prime numbers, co-prime numbers, twin prime numbers, prime triplets, Pythagorean triplets and primitive Pythagorean triplets, which are helpful for the students of standard 8th to 10th. Firstly, understand about factors. The numbers which can divide a given number exactly without any remainder are called the factors of that number. Suppose 12 is a given number. Then factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Here 1 is factor of every number and 12. This is the given number itself and every number is a factor of its own. When we remove this 12, then 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. All these are proper divisors of 12 or proper factors of 12. All the factors of a number except the number itself are called proper factors or proper divisors of the number. So, in the given example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 are called proper factors or proper divisors of 12. Now, come at prime numbers. The numbers having exactly two factors are called prime numbers such as 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. Twin primes. A set of two consecutive prime numbers having difference exactly as 2 are called twin primes such that 3 5, 5 7, 11 13, 17 19, 29 31, etc. All these are in pairs and its difference is 2 only. 5 minus 3 that is 2, 5 minus 7 that 7 minus 5 that is 2, 11 13, 13 minus 11 that is 2, 17 19, 19 minus 17 that is also 2, etc. Prime triplets or triplet of primes. A set of three consecutive prime numbers having difference as 6 between the first prime number and the third prime number are called prime triplets. Here 2, 3, 5, 3, 5, 7 are called unique prime triplets and all these are not following the rule of prime triplets. According to definition, prime triplets will be in the form of P plus 2 and P plus 6 or P plus 4 and P plus 6 such that 5, 7, 11 difference between first and third, difference between smallest and the greatest number is 6 here. 11 minus 5 that is 6. 7, 11 and 13 difference between the smallest number and the greatest number that is 6. 13 minus 7 that is 6. 11, 13, 17 difference between the greatest number and the smallest number is again here 6. 17 minus 11 that is 6. So all these triplets are following the definition of prime triplets except these two triplets, but all these are formed by prime numbers. Now come at co-primes. A set of two numbers whose highest common factor is 1 are called co-prime numbers such that 2, 3. Here highest common factor between 2 and 3 is 1. 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 11, 12, etc. All these are co-prime numbers because highest common factor in each pair is only 1. Now come at Pythagorean triplets. It is the set of three positive integers a, b and c such that a square plus b square is equal to c square. C square always be odd, and this set is called primitive Pythagorean triplets. When we multiply this set by 2, each number will be multiplied by 2. Then again we get a Pythagorean triplet. 3, 4 and 5. When we multiply this 3 by 2, we get 6. When we multiply this 4 by 2, we get 8. When we multiply this 5 by 2, we get 10. And this resulting numbers are also Pythagorean triplets. All the Pythagorean triplets form a right-angled triangle. Some Pythagorean triplets are 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13, 7, 24, 25, up to infinite. In these primitive Pythagorean triplets, first and third numbers are odd and prime numbers. And there are one even number also, 4, 12, 24, 60, 40, etc. Most numbers are containing first and third as prime numbers. And when we scale it up, when we multiply each term of a primitive Pythagorean triplet, we get another Pythagorean triplet. When we multiply each number of the given primitive triplets, we get some more triplets. Another Pythagorean triplets will be as 2 into 3, 4, 5. This is a primitive Pythagorean triplet. When we multiply these by 2, we get 6, 8 and 10. This is also a Pythagorean triplet. This is a Pythagorean triplet which is called primitive Pythagorean triplet, 5, 12 and 13. When we multiply each term of this triplet by 2, we get another Pythagorean triplet. This is also a Pythagorean triplet. When we multiply by 2, this triplet, 7, 24, 25, we get another Pythagorean triplet. All these are primitive Pythagorean triplets which is multiplied by 2, then we get another Pythagorean triplet. In this way, 2 into primitive Pythagorean triplets gives us further a Pythagorean triplets. That's all. Thank you very much.